Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust inventory in QuickBooks Online. Managing your inventory properly is really important because it keeps your business organized and ensures you always know exactly what stock you have. The process is simple and shouldn't take long, but I'll guide you step by step so it's easy to follow. First, start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already on the sign-in page, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, click the Sign In button. Make sure you select QuickBooks Online from any options that appear. After selecting QuickBooks Online, enter your email or user ID and password. Then click Continue. QuickBooks will then take you to the home page, which is where all the main actions happen. Once you're on the home page, look for the New button, usually near the top or in the main navigation bar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the drop-down menu, navigate to Other, then select Inventory Quantity Adjustment. Clicking this option will take you to the correct section where you can make the necessary changes to your inventory. The first thing to do is add the product you need to adjust. You'll see a field where you can start typing the product name. Once you spot the correct product, click on it to select it. After choosing the product, it's time to enter the quantity adjustment. Type in the amount you need to adjust. This could be an increase or a decrease depending on your current inventory needs. Double check your figures carefully because accuracy is very important. Once you're satisfied with your entries, it's time to finalize your adjustment. Look for the Save and Close button to record your changes. With a click, your inventory levels are updated, and you're all set to continue managing your business with accurate insights. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully adjusted your inventory in QuickBooks Online. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident managing your business's inventory in the future. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.